And arrange your legs however feels best. They can be shins crossed, they can be legs long. You can have your back against a wall for this. But wherever you are, notice that you're sitting, your weight is sort of on the front-ish part of your sit bones, and where your spine and pelvis come together, it feels supported and it feels comfortable. So perpendicular orientation of the pelvis and the spine here. Notice your breath as you're here. So today's class, the theme of today's class is about cleaning, spring cleaning, a sense of change, and kind of finding the thing that needs to be renewed and how do we freshen it up. So there's lots of ways that we'll be doing that. So before we go on to the next big physical posture, take your hands, loose fists, and we'll start at the breastbone, at the sternum in the center here. My voice is going to get funny. And just gently tap one and the other in any pattern that feels good. You can start to move them out underneath your collarbones, across the top of your rib cage, under collarbones, down alongside you, along the sides of the ribs. Use the amount of pressure, the rhythm that feels good for you. Come back toward your center, underneath the center of the rib cage. Maybe even down on the soft part of your belly. Anything that's sort of calling out to you. And I think of this as something that we don't really do anymore, but beating out a rug. I actually have an antique rug beater that my dad used to use. That was his job on Saturday mornings, is to beat out the rug. So think about all those things that are a little stuck physically for you in these places, and how this action of tapping or dental beating might wake up these areas in a way that feels a little interesting, because we don't always do this. So start to slow it down, start to make that motion smaller. Yeah, you want to go along your back? You can do that, over your shoulder. You can even go down your legs. I was going to have you slow down, but you're having fun with this. Go down your legs. What calls out to you? And if you want to get at your low back, you can turn your fists the other way. Normally we do a little bit of a rubbing motion in this along the bladder points at the low back, but tapping like this is definitely a form of acupressure that we can use as well. Nice. When it feels right for you, you can keep going if you'd like. Start to slow down and then eventually stop, and allow your hands to rest in any position that's comfortable. And take some breaths here. You can use the clearing breath if you'd like, with the exhale through your mouth, if that feels right to you right now. But notice the shift that you may have created through your center here, and maybe through your whole body as well. Maybe your energy has come up a little bit. All right, nice job.